here this is the interactive dashboards, and on the left hand side and on the C there is the slicers here in years 2020, 2021, 2022, and if we click on 2020 then it will change for the 2020s. In the same things if we are doing here in the regions, if we choose the Brazil controller, uh, and all the other chart is the control by the this slicers, then we just click on the 2020, then all the other graph is changed for the 2020s. If we want to disconnect this controller of any particular uh, apply this, now we check the it is the disconnected or not in 2020s. Then you can see the year wise sales is the showing the for the 2000